Yo, molweni namgelekile nonke kwezitshisa be entertainment waze wahlupha uNozi Mkhize ke iblogger yaku TikTok, so nguye ke oqale yonke le nyurunyuru that is currently happening. Uye wafaka ke live kaPortia ke izoba ngu ex-girlfriend of Mbali's ex-husband ekungulebo, right? So xa ifake ke le live, obviously uyachaza uPortia into yoba, guys, I'm single, I am no longer with Ulebo and I am happy. Things did not work out, yeah, understand. Then ke she takes that ke uNozi ayifake ku TikTok wakhe, as short as it is, where you've bale live has got nothing to do with Umbali Khosana, right? Yes, asiphekeleni umyeni wami, it's got nothing to do with her, but ke uNozi goes ke ku-caption ayothi sana uMbali Sikhosana got her man back uLebo after uPortia dumped him. Love prevails ke sana. So this is where this entire situation started. So abantu ke baqale obviously ngokumthuka uMbali uba hayibo Mbali wena wawukhala apha in front of us bekubethile uLebo ekubethile neside chick yakhe ukuze kuphume igqamboza lebifinya. How dare you do that to us? Kuthandazisa, your mom even intervened. Like there was so much going on, you understand, to which ke uMbali then came forward ezozama ukulungisa what uNozi is currently doing there on TikTok. Uyaphendula ke apha uthi, guys, ngingamane ngiphuze ushefu ngife kunokuthi ngibuyele lapha asoze. The rumors, they are not true. Aphinde asho komunye ukuthi over my dead body, who asked ukuthi hayibo, is it true that when you are back with Ulebo? Then ke obviously, guys, continues uMbali uyahamba ke ngoku kwi stories zakhe ku TikTok yochaza into ba, guys, nansi into eyenzakalayo. Uthi, hey my loves, I wanted to address the recent rumors circulating about me and my ex being back together. I want to assure you all that there is no truth to the speculations. I'm focusing on myself and my future. Ngiya appreciate ke uthando lwenu and support yenu. So abese aveze ke lesi sithombe lesi, guys. This is Ulebo, the ex-husband, and uNozi. Guess what, guys? Bayasebenzisana Ulebo and uNozi, the blogger, guys, just to clout chase ngegama likaMbali, because bayazi into ba uMbali obviously sizothetha ngaye. So then uNozi goes ke ngoku ayothetha ngamayeza kaLebo into ba, I'm advertising, if you want to love Becky you must call uLebo, do this, if you want inhlahla bazivuleke call uLebo, and all these things, you understand. So this was honestly such a low blow from uNozi Mkhize. So yeah, guys, nazo indaba ze akamanga ke apho. Even after uMbali continued, uNozi is still continuing saying that uMbali is back together with Ulebo. So I think then ke kuzoba igame lena yoba umntu ukholelwa bani, ukholelwa uNozi noba ukholelwa uMbali. Anyways, guys, your thoughts must get engaged and on bona shortly. Bye guys.
Mawufuna bheka mina ngedwa, thintana no Dr. Lebo Hadebe. Mawufuna inkwayindane, xhumana no Dr. Lebo Hadebe. Mawufuna iwoza, xhumana no Dr. Lebo Hadebe. Mawufuna inamathela, xhumana no Dr. Lebo Hadebe. Mawufuna inamathela ethi yentando, xhumana no Dr. Lebo Hadebe. Kanti mawufuna ikorobela, xhumana no Dr. Lebo Hadebe. Mawufuna iyababa nemnandi, xhumana no Dr. Lebo Hadebe. Sikhuluma lana thina ngoKhokhovula ozibonisile amandla akhe, wabonisa ubukhulu bakhe, wabonisa ulwazi lwakhe ngezwe amakhambi.